Mbola tsara?
Tsara siry, lasy. Tanà ambany, ambidy be. Antsonara.
Hey!
Ove!
Karena kasih sembunyinya.
Such a shame, 'cause oh what a brilliant mind she had. And now that she's been introduced to confidence, she doesn't see that she is bordering on arrogance. And will she learn back to
Telma! Buona tarde!
Wow! Super! Eficaz, Telma.
a young black man grew up without his father. Now it falls to his hand to protect his mother. Then who his older brother lives in fear. Everything especially trying to feel his father's
Y'a des solutions!
they go to extremes.
Let's go dance fit na band din. Let's go yan.
Chasing dreams, they keep on falling, 'cause they don't know no balance.
Et oui, dans toute la Diana et partout à Madagascar, Telma, le meilleur choix.
Telma, Safid que numéro 1 Malagasy.